Magandang araw po at magandang gabi sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naabot ng video na ito. Welcome po dito sa AMB o Avoy Makes Videos. Ngayon po ay meron po tayong video mula kay News PH Defense, no? Ito po ay yung nakompleto na daw itong yung delivery ng Spider missile, no? At ito ang bibigyan natin ng ating reaction at komento. At siyempre kayo din, hahanapin ko yung comment nyo dyan, siyempre dyan sa comment box. So, wag na natin patagalin. Ito po ang video ni News PH Defense. Grabe, no? Ang ganda ng forma ng truck, no? At hindi ko alam kung ilan piraso ba itong binili na to, kung bakit. Kasi alam ko yung Spider missile ay way back pa yan, 2019, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, 2019 nung simula tayong mag-acquisition yan. At ngayon, sabi, nakumpleto na daw.
The Philippine Air Force, PAF, has officially completed the acquisition of the Spider Mr. Medium-Range Ground-Based Air Defense System, GBADS, with the arrival of the third and final batch. This marks a crucial milestone in the ongoing AFP Horizon 2 modernization program, reinforcing the country's air defense capabilities against aerial threats.
So ito kaya ikuha dito sa atin o sa ibang bansa? So, meron tatlong launcher, baka yung isa nakatiklop pa, at yung iba siguro dyan ay radar.
Update from the Air Defense Command's official social media page showcased MG Fabian Pedosa, commander of the Air Defense Command, along with his team, inspecting the newly delivered battery of the Spider Philippine Air Defense System, SPADS. This confirms the successful delivery of the remaining units from Israel's Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. The acquisition contract, finalized in 2019 with a total investment of 6 billion Philippine pesos, aimed to equip the PAF with state-of-the-art air defense technology. The Spider Mr. system enhances the Philippines' ability to detect, track, and neutralize various aerial threats, including aircraft, missiles, and drones. With this...
So, kung ang patatamaan mo, drone, tapos yung missile, napakamahal, magastos, no? Tapos yung drone, mura lang, no? Dapat mag-develop din tayo sa atin ng mga drones na pwedeng sumalubong sa kapwa niya drones, no? Parang doon na siya sasabog sa ere. Sige, tuloy ulit natin.
Final batch, the Philippine Air Force now has a fully operational Spider Mr. air defense network, significantly improving its capacity to protect national airspace. The first two batches, delivered earlier, included missile launchers, radar systems, and other critical components that have been integrated into PAF operations. The Spider Mr. system is designed for rapid deployment and high mobility, making it suitable for responding to evolving security challenges. Its advanced radar capability...
So, yan po, no? Sample yan at slow-mo, no? So, ganyan po siya tumitira.
Allow for early detection and interception of threats, ensuring a strong defensive posture. As part of the Land-Based Air Defense Acquisition Project, the deployment of Spider Mr. aligns with the broader objectives of the AFP modernization program. The system is expected to play a key role in the country's multi-layered air defense strategy. In addition to boosting defense capabilities, this acquisition further strengthens military cooperation between the Philippines and Israel. Rafael Advanced Defense Systems has been a reliable partner in providing cutting-edge defense technology, contributing to the Philippines' security enhancement efforts. The completion of the Spider Mr. acquisition comes at a critical time, as regional security dynamics continue to evolve. With increasing geopolitical tensions and growing concerns over territorial integrity, having a capable air defense system is crucial for national defense. Looking ahead, the Philippine Air Force is already preparing for the next phase of its modernization, Horizon 3. This phase will focus on acquiring more advanced...
So, ako wala akong idea kung yung sa Horizon 2 o Horizon 3, kung ilan yung binibili nilang equipment na ganyan, or maring ang sinasabing na kumpleto hindi yung truck o yung mismong bala lang. Pero sa tingin ko, yung sinasabi dito, yung mismong buo, no, yung launcher at saka yung radar. So hindi lang yun ang mahalaga diyan, no. Mahalaga diyan kasi yan ay tinatawag natin Patriot, no. So parang defense missile yan. Dapat marami kang panalubong, kasi ito yung sumasalubong sa mga papasok na missile. Dapat hindi ka rin nauubusan ng bala niyan. So yun ang mahal dyan, kung 200 yung missile na papasok, dapat either mas marami yung ipang sasalubong mo kasi meron chance na hindi niya ito ma-miss niya yung mga missile, lalo yung tinatawag nating hypersonic. Sige, tuloy ulit natin ang video.
Defense technologies and upgrading existing systems to maintain operational superiority. Under Horizon 3, the PAF aims to further strengthen its air defense network, potentially exploring additional missile defense systems, early warning radars, and fighter jet acquisitions to complement its current assets. The successful integration of Spider-Mister under Horizon 2 sets a strong foundation for future defense enhancements. The Philippine military continues to prioritize investments in modern defense capabilities to ensure national security.
So ganun pala siya, no? Parang pa-vertical muna siya, tapos biglang yung sa side siya, no? Parang pareha siya nung sa BrahMos, ganun yung sistema ng BrahMos. Pataas muna siya, tapos bigla siyang sa side. So, merong ganung sistema itong Spider. So, yung Spider, ang sa pagkakaalam ko, para rin itong isang Iron Dome, no? Pang-defense lang po ito. Although, pwede itong tumira ng mga jet fighter na papasok, di ba sabi niya? Pwedeng jet fighter na papasok, pwedeng mga drones, at yung mga missile na papasok sa area. Pwede siyang gamitin doon.
In the face of emerging threats. The mobility and versatility of the Spider-Mister system allow for flexible deployment across different regions of the country, ensuring a nationwide protective shield against aerial incursions. This makes it a valuable asset in safeguarding Philippine sovereignty. As the PAF expands its defensive reach, it remains committed to continuously improving its airspace protection through cutting-edge. The Spider-Mister system is a testament to the military's dedication to national defense. With the delivery of the final batch now complete, the Philippine Air Force moves forward with an enhanced air defense capability, reinforcing its readiness to counter evolving security challenges while ensuring the safety of Philippine skies. The completion of this project not only marks a major milestone in the AFP modernization program but also highlights the government's firm commitment to strengthening the country's defense posture in an increasingly complex geopolitical environment.
Kailangan magaling yung operator nito dahil dapat pag na-miss niya yung missile, pwedeng siya yung tamaan. At saka, pag siya yun ang sugal dito. Pag ikaw naman ang na-target, tapos na yung yung depensa mo. Pakakapasok na yung maraming missile. So, dapat, itong launcher na to, well protected to, no? Para, parang yung shield mo hindi mabutas. So, yun po. So, tuloy natin ulit. So, maganda yung video ni mukhang natapos na siya magpaliwanag at napapakita na lang siya ng video itong si News PH Defense, no? So ito yung mga video niya na kinumpile, At malinaw naman. At pinakita naman mo, ito yung yung apat, oh. Tapos meron pa sa likod. Siguro yung isang batch. So marami pala, no? Ang hindi ko lang alam kung ito ay sa Pilipinas, no? Or diniliver sa ibang bansa. Tapos kinuha lang yung video. Meron kasing mga ganun. No? Tapos maglalagay lang ng Philippine flag. So akala natin sa Pilipinas na. So hopefully, yung sinasabing nitong video na Philippine officially complete acquisition of Spider MRR defense system, yun nga, hopefully kumpleto na, no? Pero dito, no, sa NewsPH Defense, meron siyang leak na video nito, pero parang wala po akong narinig sa news, no? Either news blackout, pero mahirap na kasi mag-news blackout na yun dahil social media, no? Minsan nauuna pa nga yung tinatawag na social media, yung pag-upload, makapanood mo na sa YouTube, lalo kung Sabado at Linggo, bago mo pa mabalitaan ng Lunes, no? Sa nakalis na natin mga balita dito sa Pilipinas. So, yan po yung mga truck, ano? Kita naman natin, no? Paano siya mag-operate. At ito hindi ko alam kung sa Pilipinas kuha to. Tapos pinicture, ano? Kasi hindi ko makita yung nandun sa, yung nakakaratula doon sa mga truck. So, mukhang Pilipino naman, kasi pero isang nakabarong, eh. Nakita ko kanina. Maaaring sa Pilipinas nga po yan. So, yan po siya. So, iniikot na maigi. Pinapakita sa video, paano nagla-launch. Yan. Ayan yung mga antena niya o radar. Kompleto po yan, isang set. Pag wala kasi yan, useless, no? At sinasabi ko nga, kailangan marami tayong bala. No, hindi lang yung launcher. Dapat ang importante nito, yung bala. Kasi kung may launcher ka, wala ka naman bala, useless po yan. So, hanggang dito na lang po, ano? At, antay-antay lang po tayo, no, sa mga maraming pa na tayong i-upload dito. Bisa nag-iiba yung topic natin. So ito sa mga ngayon ay mga military equipment ng Pilipinas, no? Kasi masaya siyang pag-usapan dahil alam niyo na, mga Pilipino tayo, no? Ayaw natin na tayo ay inaapi-api. Kaya gusto natin pag nakakita tayo ng mga ganyang balita o video na nabili ng Pilipinas, ay natutuwa tayo. Kasi pagtatanggol natin at siyempre andun na yung dugong Pilipino na nandun na yung yung na nararamdaman mo, umuunlad tayo, no? So hanggang dito na lang po. Maraming salamat po. Ito po ang Avoid Next videos. Hanggang sa muli.